Hey everybody, it's time for another Tony's Tidbits. And drinking every day is so 2020 or 2019 when the pandemic started. And I know my alcohol consumption had increased, and I'm sure many others have experienced the same thing working from home and having that not not having that delineation between work and coming home really puts a lot of stress on people, lives, families, and sometimes that stress is from or has an output of drinking too much, if you will. And so today I heard on a podcast that of this hop water, and they have, it's not hard seltzer, right? Hard seltzer is something that has alcohol, whereas hop water does not. And so hop water is basically a beer, tastes like beer from what I understand. I haven't tried it yet. And it has the same hoppiness flavor without the alcohol. And if you're in 2022 and you're trying to get back to normal, we're not wearing masks anymore, or it's optional in some places, you may want to just try to think about cutting back. It's not very healthy to have so many alcoholic drinks in one sitting or even throughout the week. So Hop Water is a brand that allows you to have the taste of a beer without the same alcohol buzz or trying to get it. Now, some may say that the alcohol itself is what you're looking for, which, there is a time and place for that. But sometimes you just want something that tastes like beer but may not have the alcohol, and Hop Water is one of it. So I'll be unboxing it, and then I'll stop the video and then put this in the refrigerator, and then I'll do a taste test for each different flavor that I have. I have a variety pack, and give a review of Hop Water. This is what the Hop Water box comes in. Pretty discreet. It says hops for all. On this side, it's the logo Hop Water. And then here it shows that I got the variety pack. And we'll just open it up and see what's inside here. Alright, so comes in three different cubes. We got the classic, non-alcoholic classic. This is a refreshing, hydrating brew that tastes crisp, citrusy, and piney. So this is the classic one. We then have the mango one. I'm looking forward to this one. This is has Citra, Amarillo, Mosaic, Azaka hops. So these actually have hops in them, so it's going to taste like a beer. It has ashwagandha to de-stress and unwind, so some type of, vitamin. And then L-theanine for mood and cognitive performance. And then it has 120% of your daily vitamin C. So if you're sick, maybe we can just drink this. Alright, that's the third one. And here's the next one, which is blood orange. I heard that this one is actually very good. Some other symbols here. Keto. So it's keto, gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan, and non-GMO. This is only, 0 calories, 0 carbs, and 0 sugar. So if you're having some of the Athletic Brew non-alcoholic beers and stuff like that, they do have some type of calorie and carbs associated to them. This does not. So I wonder how much of a beer taste that we're going to get drinking this. So we'll have to test it out. So I got these here: mango, blood orange, and the classic. So that should do us. I'll put this in the fridge. Let's get this chilled, and I'll open each one of these and give an individual review for all of them. Here is the classic hop water. It says proudly hopped, and we're gonna give this guy a try. I chilled it in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna give you my initial taste test and review. Remember, this is non-alcoholic, and instead of those sparkling waters, this is sort of like a sparkling water that tastes like beer, and maybe hopped sparkling water, if you will. Smells hoppy, definitely smells hoppy. It's got an interesting taste to it. It's almost as if you took some sparkling water, like a Topo Chico, and threw some hops in it to let it steep a little bit, and bottled it, or canned it, if you will. It's not bad. It actually has a good taste to it. It's not too sweet. Actually, there's no sweetness to it. Like I said, it's almost like as if you took some carbonated mineral water and threw hops in it to let it steep. Now, that may not be true for the mango or for the blood orange, so we'll do another review on those. But it has a bit of carbonation, but it's not overly carbonated. I prefer things overly carbonated, but I think this is pretty good. This is not bad. Not bad. I like it a lot. We'll try the other two, and then we'll give you my final thoughts. Here we are again. Another day, another hop water. And today, we're going to do mango hop water. Same deal. Let's give it a try. Probably gonna be hoppy. Probably gonna be like a carbonated water with some hops. It sort of smells a little bit less hoppy than the original one. Now this one is not too bad. This actually has a hint of mango, not too sweet. Actually, doesn't have any sweetness at all. It has the effervescence of mango, but it does have that finish with the hops on it. It's not overly, let's say, sorry, my lights went off here. Let me turn them back on. Here we go. It's not overly hoppy, which is actually pretty nice. It's not meant to be a beer. Obviously, they're not going for a beer replacement or a non-alcoholic beer. Obviously, they're going for the sparkling water route with a hint of flavor and a hint of hoppiness to it. It's unique. It's a unique sort of niche in the market. It tastes really good. I think I like the mango over the original, so take that advice for what it is. All right, the last one we have is the blood orange, and we'll try that in another day or another video or another segment of this video. Here we are now with the hop water blood orange. Again, this is non-alcoholic, has a little bit of hoppiness to it. Supposedly this is the best one, so let's give it a try and see how it tastes. This has a lot of blood orange taste, smell to it. I don't smell a lot of the hops. Wow, now this one is really good. Out of all the ones, I would rate this one the -- 1 flavor for hop water, and then the mango, and then the original. I really like this one. It doesn't have a very hoppy taste to it. It tastes like a sparkling orange, blood orange, sparkling water. All right, I taste a little bit of the pininess of the hops, but I mean, you could probably get a sparkling blood orange water and it would be it would be just as equivalent to this. This is sort of expensive hop water, or sparkling water, if you will. So it's not bad though. I mean, to be honest, it's not bad. But does it really hold up to the hops or the flavor of the hops with a sparkling water? You'll have to be the judge of that. So let's go to final conclusions after this. Anyway, so the hop water itself, I think it's a good product. It has a niche. Whoever wants to have a little bit of the hoppiness with a sparkling water taste. For me, it's really not for me. I'm looking for almost a beer taste to it. So the non-alcoholic, if you're looking to cut some alcohol out of your consumption, then I think that the non-alcoholic beers like the Athletic Brew or some of the NA beers that they currently have probably would be your more of your cup of tea. What I will do though is post a 10% coupon, and that will also help the channel and help me. If you like this, definitely subscribe and also like the video content that you're watching right now. I will post a coupon code so you can get 10%. I'm just reviewing it. I'm looking for a more beer flavor, but this may suit your needs. So definitely try out the hop water and tell me what your review is, or how you feel that it fits into your consumption. Again, this is Tony with Tony's Tidbits. Thanks for watching.